Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, guess what today is? Today is a collaboration day, y'all. And today I am collaborating with Miss Camara Jules and Miss Toni Michelle. Camara, she is a really great YouTuber. She does nail reviews. She's growing her own natural nails. She be killing the TikTok challenges. She does all type of wig reviews, especially like the pretty, beautiful, colorful wigs. So y'all need to check her out, y'all. And I am also collaborating with Miss Toni Michelle, y'all. She is another great YouTuber, and she is an author, and she does fictional books. And she does, you know, haul videos over there on her channel too. So when y'all finish watching my video, y'all be sure to go over there and check out these other two ladies. I will be linking their information in the description box below. And y'all, today we are doing a fall hair collaboration video. And today I am bringing y'all Fayme. I think that's how you pronounce her name. It's spelled F-A-Y-M-E, and I got her in the color 99J, and this is how she's looking on the stock card. And she has a hand-tied lace part, and the color is shown on the stock card is dark root cinnamon pink, but I got her in the pretty 99J color. And she is also heat resistant and is safe up to 400 degrees, like if you decide to put heat on her. But I don't think you should put heat on her, because I really like the style that is in now. I am really feeling the curls, y'all. And she does come with two combs in the front, and she comes with a comb in the back with an adjustable strap. And y'all, she has a breathable mesh cap, and like I said, she has a hand-tied deep lace part for a natural finish. And the claims on this stock card, you know, is pretty true. I don't think they're lying at all about this wig right here. I mean, the claims, they're pretty much living up to their claims, y'all. And like I said, she's from Outrage. She's the color 99J. I am just loving this style right here. This is the parting space. I think the parting space is like 5 inches, and I just plucked her a little bit, put some concealer in the parting space, and I combed her out to on the stock card. It shows how she is styled, and I'm pretty much, you know, it's pretty much the same that's on the stock card. And y'all, I'm really liking that, you know, you can move her around and you can comb her out. She doesn't tangle that much, and the curls is bouncing right back when you comb her out. So does she tangle? She tangles a little bit, but not real bad, because I'm running my fingers through her. And she does shed a little bit. I mean, but it's a synthetic wig. Y'all already know that the synthetic wigs are gonna tangle and they're gonna shed. But I will be linking the price of her too. I want to say I got her for like $20, and I got her off of Glamtress, y'all. But you know, I will be putting it on the screen for y'all, and I will be putting all the information in the description box. But I think this is very fall friendly hair. I am really liking this hair. Like, I feel, you know, a little bougie when I'm wearing this wig right here. I feel like I want to dress up when I'm wearing this wig right here. As y'all can see, I got my floor top going on with the fall colors. This is how she looks on the side. This is how she looks on the back. And look, y'all, I can just turn on around and she gonna move. She gonna move when I move, y'all. But that is pretty much all I got to say. I don't have no complaints about Famous or Famey. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I'm sorry if I pronounce the name wrong. But I am loving this right here. I think you can dress her up. You can dress her down. She could be real cute. You know, when you want to dress up and step out, she gonna be real cute. And she ain't even gonna give you that much trouble. But like I said, y'all, this is a collaboration with Miss Toni Michelle and Miss Camaro Joyce. And when y'all are finished watching my video, y'all be sure to go over there and check them out and see what type of fall vibes they got going on over there on their channel. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.